Because you are in that position with the head lowered, can you please tell us step by step what happened?
Die Kosa man
The Xhosa man
het voor my so gestaan terwyl my kop afhang.
who was standing in front of me, the witness shows, my Lord. He was standing in front of me as my head was hanging.
En hy het 'n swart sak in sy hand gehad.
He had a black bag in his hand, the witness shows, my Lord.
En toe vra hy vir my, do you know Jesus?
Hy het vir my gevra, ken jy vir Jesus?
En ek het vir hom gesê ja.
I told him yes.
En as toe wat hy die swart sak om my kop trek.
And that's when he pulled over the black bag over my head.
En soos die swart sak om my kop is,
As the black bag was over my head,
sê hy vir my ek moet my kop skud wanneer ek wil praat.
he told me that I must not shake my head when I want to speak.
Goed, en wat gebeur toe?
What happened?
En soos ek voel ek kan nie asem kry nie,
As I found that I couldn't breathe,
skud ek my kop
I nodded and shook my head,
en hulle haal die sak af
and the bag was taken off.
en ek sê vir hulle maar ek weet nie waar Jocelyn is.
And I told them that I don't know where Jocelyn is.
En soos ek vir hulle sê ek weet nie waar Jocelyn is.
As I told them that I don't know where Jocelyn is,
Slat hulle my met bettens
I was hit with batons
op my knieë,
on my knees,
op my voete
on my feet,
en op my hande.
on my hands.
En so klap hulle vir my in my gesig.
And I also smacked in my face. The witness shows with the hands, my Lord, but lowered, they smacked me with the hands.
En wat onthou jy van hierdie klap teen die gesig? Is daar iets wat jy onthou?
What can you remember with the smacks on your face?
Die colored man
The colored man
met die baard
with the beard,
het vir my 'n groot, ek weet nie meer wat het hy my geslat nie, maar hy het my 'n groot klap gegee.
he hit me, he smacked me hard, my Lord, but I don't know with what.
En ek het duiselig geraak.
Then I became dizzy.
Vertel vir die hof, hoe weet u dat dit die kleerlingman is wat u geslaan het?
Can you please tell the court how you know that it was a colored man that hit you?
Want hy was aan my linkerkant
Because he was on my left hand side,
en die sak was nie om my kop gewees nie.
and the bag was not over my head.
Goed. U sê u kon nie asem kry nie. U skud die kop, hulle haal die sak af.
You
But-
said that you couldn't breathe and you nodded your head or you shook your head and the plastic was taken off, and then
Wat gebeur verder?
what happened further?
En toe sit hulle net weer die sak om.
They placed the plastic bag again over my head.
En
En hulle vra vir my waar is Jocelyn? Wat het jy gemaak met Jocelyn?
They asked me, where is Jocelyn? What have you done with Jocelyn?
en wat het u geantwoord?
What did you answer?
Ek het weer vir hulle gesê maar ek weet nie waar Jocelyn nie.
I told them once again, I don't know where Jocelyn is.
Is dit vir u moontlik om vir hierdie hof te sê hoe lank dit aangehou het?
Is it possible to tell the court how long it took?
Ik kan niet precies tyd sê nie, maar dat dit aangehou tot het donker raak.
I can't say precisely the time, but it continued till it was dark.
In al hierdie tyd was dit net u en hierdie manne in die
During this time, was it you and these people, these guys only?
Dat is reg so, nee.
That's correct, sir.
En is dit vir u moontlik om te sê hoeveel kere hierdie sak op die kop gesit is, afgehaal is, op die kop gesit is, u antwoord, is dit vir u moontlik om dit te sê?
Is it possible for you to tell the court or to say how many times was this bag placed over your head, taken off, placed over your head and taken off?
As ek mooi onthou, dan was dit so, kan nie presies sê nie, maar het was tamelijk baie kere.
My Lord, if I can remember, it was about, I can't say how many times, but it was a few times, my Lord.
Het dit opgehou of het dit net aangehou?
Did it stop or it continued?
Dat het net aangegaan, ja, maar.
It just continued.
Maar u sou my saamstem, een van die tyd moes dit opgehou het.
You agreed with me at some stage it stopped.
Nie lankie, dus sien ek, toe die sak van my kop afkom, toe kom Stefan on.
Not long after, my Lord, when the bag came off my head, I saw Stefano coming or entering.
En daar was nog mannen met hem, ik kan niet precies zeggen hoeveel.
There was other men with him, but I won't be able to say precisely how many.
En hulle het vir my losgemaak.
And they loosened me.
En ek sien hulle het vir hom, toe hang hulle vir hom.
I saw my Lord, and they hanged him, the witness shows, my Lord.
En dieselfde posisie wat ek gehang het.
They hanged him in the same position I was, my Lord. The witness shows with his hands like this. They hanged him in the same position I was, my Lord.
Okay, voor ons nou aangaan, vertel net vir die hof duidelik. Hulle het nou het gesê my losgemaak. Wat bedoel jy dat hulle u losgemaak het?
Hulle het die boeie afgehaal.
They loosened the handcuffs.
En na hulle nou u boeie afgehaal het, wat was u situasie toe? Wat was u nie, het u toe nie boeie aangehad nie?
After the handcuffs were taken off, what was the situation after that?
Toe vat hulle vir my om die tafel.
They took me around the table.
En hulle het 'n groot polisievlag, 'n blou vlag.
They had a big police flag, a blue one.
En hulle het vir my vasgekabel daai.
They tied me with cable ties.
En hulle het vir my opgerol in die vlag.
They rolled me out in the flag.
En toe begin hulle slaan hulle vir my met bettens
They started hitting me with batons
op my hele liggaam.
on my whole body.
As jy sê, jy noem die cable ties. Waar,
You mentioned cable ties.
Dis reg.
That's correct, sir.
waar het hulle die cable ties op u gesit?
Where did they place the cable ties on you?
My hande.
My hands. The witness shows, my Lord. My hands.
Goed, so u is nou, soos u verduidelik, cable ties vastgeboei en u is in die vlag toegedraai en hulle slaan u met pattens. Is dit al wat gedoen is?
You say you were tied up with cable ties, you were wrapped around the flag, and you were hit with batons. What else?
Nie lankie toe hoor ek net
Not long after I heard,
een van hulle
one of them
vra vir my, ken ek van Makalima?
asked me, do I know Makalima?
En ek het vir hulle gevra wat 'n makalima.
I asked them which makalima.
Ja.
En toe sê hulle vir my makalima wat in Middelbos bly.
They said makalima, the one that resides in Middelbos.
Toe vra hulle vir my wie ken ek van makalima?
They asked me once again, do I know makalima?
En ek het gesê ja, ek ken van makalima.
I said, yes, I do know makalima.
En hulle vra vir my of ek vir hulle gaan wys waar makalima bly.
They asked me if I was show them where makalima resides.
En ek het maar net gesê ja, ek gaan vir julle wys waar makalima bly.
I just said, yes, I will show you where makalima resides.
Jy het vir die hof gesê dat jy het gesien dat Stefano het ook daar aangekom en hulle het om in dieselfde posisie gehad. Wat het jy ervaar terwyl hulle met jy praat?
You say that whilst you were there, Stefano also came in, he was also placed in the position. What did you experience?
Ek het gesien hoe hulle vir hom ook slaat op sy knieë
I also saw how they hit him also as well on his knees,
en op sy voete
on his feet.
en hulle het 'n sak om sy kop gesit.
They also placed a bag over his head.
Toe jy nou in die vlag toegedraai was die kop ook toegedraai of het die kop uitgesteek?
My kop,
Whilst you were wrapped around in the flag, was your head also wrapped around, or your head was out or visible?
nee, my kop was buite.
My head was out.
Ja, wat kan jy verder onthou?
Yes, what can you remember further?
Ek kan gevoel het daai tyd die verligting wat op my is toe hulle vir my vra of ek makalima ken.
My Lord, can I just ask the witness to repeat the first words? Can you believe it?
Stadig.
Ek kan gevoel het die verligting dat hulle my los die tyd toe hulle vir my vra of ek vir makalima ken.
I could feel, my Lord, the relief when they asked me about Makalima.
Hoekom het jy verlig gevoel?
Why did you feel relieved?
Van ek kan gevoel het hulle hou opslaan.
Because I could feel that it was stopping hitting me or assaulting me.
Toe jy voel hulle hou opslaan.
When you felt they stopped hitting you,
Op daardie stadium nou, jy is in die vlag toegedraai. Stefano is daar. Daar's mense. Kan nie vir die hof sê hoeveel mense daar in daai vertrek was?
that time you were wrapped around in the flag, Stefano is there, and can you please tell the court how many people was around there in the room?
As jy kan sê hoeveel daar was.
If you can.
Dit was nou die manne wat saam met my gewees het.
It was the man that was with me,
Die 4 of 5 manne
the 4 or 5 men,
en die manne wat saam met Stefano ook ingekom het.
and the men that also arrived there with Stefano.
Goed, ja, hulle hou nou opslaan aan u.
They stopped hitting you.
Wat volg daarna?
What happened after?
So het ek vir hulle gesê dat ek sal vir hulle gaan wys waar Makalima bly.
So I told them that I will show them where Makalima resides.
En so het hulle vir my weer vasgeboeie
And they also handcuffed me again.
en hulle het vir my in 'n kar gesit.
Can you hear say?
Hulle het vir my in 'n kar gesit
They was placed in a motor vehicle.
my please kom. Thank you, Manon. Meneer Paulus sê net vir my nou, hulle het u weer geboei en u sê hulle het u in 'n kar gesit. Was dit nog lig geweest op daardie stadium?
You say, Mr. Paulus, that you were handcuffed and they placed you in the motor vehicle. Was it still light outside?
Nee, dit was al donker. Man.
No, it was dark already, sir.
Het u in daardie tyd, vandat u nou 'n swart sak oor die kop gekry het, totdat hulle nou u losgemaak het en weer boeie aangesit het, toe u nou na die kar toe geneem is, het u op daardie stadium enige iemand daar gesien wat u in hierdie verhoor hier gesien het? Enige manspersoon of vroupersoon gesien wat u in die hof erken het?
Whilst you were there, you were handcuffed and those things were done to you and you handcuffed again and you said that you were taken to the motor vehicle. Whilst you were here, did you see any of those persons that were present on that day?
Ek het een gesien
I saw one
wat ek later leer ken het as Sergeant Fortuin.
that I later became known to me as Sergeant Fortuin.
Jy sê u het een gesien en u sê die Sergeant Fortuin. Sergeant Fortuin, kan u vir die hof sê wanneer het u hom, as u kan onthou, die eerste keer gesien?
You say that you saw one that later known to you as Sergeant Fortuin. If you can remember, when was the first time you saw that person, Sergeant Fortuin?
In die kar wat ek geklim het.
In the motor vehicle I was in.
Wie was in die voertuig wat u ingeklim het? U sê u sien Sergeant Fortuin en u is in die voertuig. Was daar enigiemand anders in die voertuig?
You say you got into the motor vehicle and Sergeant Fortuin was in this motor vehicle. Was there anyone else in the motor vehicle?
Sergeant Fortuin was die drywer van die kar.
Sergeant Fortuin was the driver of the motor vehicle.
Daar was nog 'n man wat voor gesit het links
There was another man who was seated in the front on the left-hand side.
en daar was 'n vrou met grys hare
There was a female person with grey hair
wat regs agter gesit het
that sat at the back on the right-hand side.
en ek het links agter gesit.
And I was seated at the back on the left-hand side.
Ja, en wat gebeur toe?
What happened after?
Toe was daar 'n klomp vervoere gewees
There was a lot of motor vehicles
wat saam gery het en die kar wat ek in gery het voorgery.
and they drove with us, but the motor vehicle that I was in was driving in front.
En ek het gaan wys waar Makalima bly.
I went to point out or show where Makalima resides.
En Sergeant Fortuin,
Sergeant Fortuin,
toe ons by Makalima se huis kom met 'n foto gevat van Makalima.
when we got at Makalima's house, Sergeant Fortuin took a photo of Makalima
En het die foon van my gebring om vir my die foto te wys en vir my gevra
and brought the phone and showed me the phone and asked me,
of dit Makalima is.
is that Makalima?
En ek het vir Sergeant gesê ja.
I told the sergeant, yes.
Goed, is hy op enige stadium daar dat hy by Makalima se huis was uit die voertuig uitgeneem geweest?
Nee,
Whilst you were at Makalima's house, were you taken out of the motor vehicle? No.
Is dit vir u moontlik om vir die hof te sê hoe lank u in die voertuig daar by Makalima se huis was?
Is it possible for you to tell the court how long were you seated in the car whilst at Makalima's place?
Ek kan nie presies sê hoe lank, maar dit was baie lank geweest.
I can't precisely say, my Lord, but it was very long.
Goed, na hierdie baie lang tyd. En u is in die voertuig, wat gebeur toe?
After this long time and in the motor vehicle, what happened afterwards?
Toe het ek gesien, hulle het vir Makalima gevat,
I saw that they took Makalima,
haar man
her husband,
en haar 2 kinders.
and her 2 kids.
En ons is weer terug Seaborg toe gewees.
And we went back to Seaboard again.
Goed. Nou kom jy terug by Seaborder. Vertel vir die hof net in kort. Wat word van u? Het jy in die kar bly sit? Het jy uitgeklim? Vertel net vir die hof.
You are back now at Seaboard. Can you please explain to the court, you arrived there, did you still remain seated in the motor vehicle, or what happened?
Hulle het my net 'n tydjie in die kar laat bly,
They let me sit for some time in the car,
en toe kwam hulle my uit die kar uit,
and they came to fetch me out of the motor vehicle.
en toe sê hulle vir my, ek moet nou na Makalima toe gaan,
They told me that I must go to Makalima.
en dan moet ek vir Makalima sê in haar gesig,
I must tell Makalima in her face
dat ek en Stefano die kind na haar toe geneem het.
that myself and Stefano took the child to her.
En ons het gegaan tot daar,
We went till there.
As jy nou sê ons gaan toe daar, wie is ons?
ek
When you
en,
say that we went till there, who are we?
dit was ek en 2 spiere manne, ek en 2 manne,
It was myself and 2 men,
En
Detective men.
dit is reg.
That's correct.
het jy enige van die 2 geken of al gesien voorheen?
Did you know any of these men, or have you seen them before?
Nee meneer, maar het was dieselfde manne wat saam met my was, in die Seaborg.
No, sir, but it was the same man that was with me at Seaboard.
Jy het in die hof gesê dat jy het 'n Tosa-man en 'n kleerlingman met 'n baard gesien, wat 2 van die 4 of 5 was. Was hierdie 2 persone een van daai 2 wat nou toe jy terugkom opgekom het?
Die Tosa man, meneer.
You said to the court that there was a Xhosa man and a colored man that was with you from the 4 to 5 men. Were these 2 persons with you, or who? The Xhosa man?
Goed, nou gaan jy van die voertuig af waar neem hulle jy toe? Soos jy gesê het, na Makalima toe.
I missed that last question.
Sorry, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, I asked him the 2 that he said that went with him now from the car. I asked him if he could recognize them. And he said that one of those 2 was the Tosa man that he saw. That was one of the 4, 5 that was with him. Is it correct, so, meneer Apollos?
Dat is correct, meneer.
That's correct, sir.
Thank you, my lord. Goed, jy het nou, ek wil nou net hê jy moet stadiger gaan.
I want you to go slower.
Jy sê jy was by die Seaborder en jy het 'n tydjie in die kar gesit. Toe haal
You
hulle
said that you were at the Seaboard and you stayed for some time in the car.
toe haal hulle u uit
They took you out.
en u gaan na Makalima.
You went to Makalima.
En dat u vir haar moet sê
And that you must tell her that
dat u en Stefano vir Jocelyn nageneem het.
That yourself and Stefano took Jocelyn to her.
Is dit korrek so?
Is that correct?
Goed.
Dis korrek meneer.
That's correct, my lord.
Is u toe na Makalima toe geneem?
Were you taken to Makalima?
Ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
En toe u nou inkom daar waar Makalima is, wat het u waargeneem? As u enigiets kan onthou, wat het u waargeneem? Wat het u gesien daar waar Makalima? Het u Makalima gesien?
When you got, or when you were taken to where Makalima was, what did you see or what did you notice where Makalima was? Or did you see Makalima?
Toe ek aan die kantoor kom meneer,
When I got into the officer,
toe sien ek Makalima is ook vasgeboeie
I also saw Makalima was handcuffed.
en daar was spierde vrouens
There was also female detectives
wat vir Makalima geslat het met bettens op haar voete
that hit Makalima with batons on her feet.
en hulle sê vir my
Kan u weer herhaal asseblief?
en hulle sê vir my
They told me
dat ek vir Makalima moet sê dat ek en Stefano die kind na haar toe geneem het.
They told me that I must tell Makalima that myself and Stefano took the child to her.
En ek het vir Makalima gesê
And I told Makalima,
Did you tell Makalima the same as they told you to tell her?
ek het vir Makalima dieselfde goed gesê wat hulle gesê het in Frans.
dis reg hierdaar.
That's correct, my lord.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marlon. Wat kan jy onthou wat Makalima se reaksie was?
Can you remember what was Makalima's reaction?
Makalima het vir my gevra,
Makalima asked me,
hoe kan ek dit doen?
how can you do that?
Is dit al wat jy vir Makalima sê het, of het jy nog iets vir Makalima gesê, of is daar nog iets gebeur?
Is that all that you told Makalima, or there's something else that you told her?
Dis al wat ek vir Makalima gesê het.
That's all that I told Makalima.